Cashew Accounting for Business Review. Watch before using. Most people get small business accounting wrong. They think bookkeeping is complex or requires a CPA. The surprising truth about Cashew is that it's an easy-to-use accounting software tailored for small businesses and freelancers, and you won't believe how simple it makes managing finances. Here's how it works. Cashew allows you to track income, expenses, and invoices in real time. It offers automated bank reconciliation, tax reporting, and project-based tracking to help business owners stay organized and compliant. For example, a freelance designer can connect their bank account, automatically categorize expenses, and generate profit and loss statements without spending hours on spreadsheets. Most people get this wrong. They think accounting software is overwhelming, but Cashew focuses on simplicity while maintaining accuracy. Additional benefits include multi-currency support, cloud access for anywhere management, and mobile apps for on-the-go updates. Users praise its intuitive interface, reliable automation, and fast customer support. However, there are considerations. Cashew may lack advanced inventory or payroll features found in larger accounting suites. Most people assume software replaces expertise. Consulting an accountant for taxes is still recommended. In conclusion, Cashew is ideal for small business owners and freelancers who want simple, reliable, and accurate accounting without steep learning curves. Subscribe for more honest reviews of small business tools and fintech software.